Hey, what it is, YouTube? Welcome to KICKnology. It is your boy Truth. I appreciate you guys tapping in for another video. If this is your first time tapping in, hey, welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy everything that you see. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, but also a comparison, and also a little bit of a sneaker talk. You feel what I'm saying? So not all colorways are created equal. What I mean by that is Nike can give us the same exact silhouette, same quality, everything on the sneaker could be absolutely the same, packaging and everything. But then they throw a colorway on that sneaker, and for some reason that sneaker is sick. And a lot of times we don't understand why. And I don't think it's anything to it. You know, it's our personal opinion. But I will give you guys my opinion on that. Today we're going to be talking about a sneaker that did just that, man. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Air Jordan 13 in the court purple colorway. Let's do it.
No synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got crew, never slack on the brew. For OGs and the youth, you can kick it with us too. KICKnology.
Alright, so before we get off into this unboxing, if this is your first time tapping in, like I said, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Head over to IG, follow your boy at KICKnology on IG, and also hit that like button, share this video. Do all those great things to get me in the algorithm, man. I would greatly appreciate it. I am pumping out a lot of content for you guys, and I hope you guys actually enjoy what you're seeing. Now, today we will be unboxing the Air Jordan 13 Court Purple. This shoe is sitting pretty much everywhere, man. It sat on the sneakers app for a very long time, and a lot of people just are not messing with this sneaker. But I just want to show you guys that, and you heard it here, man, this is not a bad sneaker by any means. Quality is not bad on it. It is actually a dope shoe. Now let's go ahead and look at the box real quick. They did give us that OG 13 box, that platinum silver colorway. You do have that purple Jumpman logo on the top of the box, and then we do have that stamp right there. This is not my personal pair. Shout out to my guy DeepSoles. This is his personal pair. It's a size 13, and the colorway reads Air Jordan 13 Retro Black Court Purple in the size 13. The retail was $190, man. Nothing special on the inside of the box, just white paper. So we're gonna go ahead and sit this thing to this way. But yeah, as you guys can see right here, as we a closer look at this shoe, this is not a bad shoe. They hit us with the mesh upper. Anytime they hit us with that mesh upper, you know it's gonna be 3M. So we do have 3M on this sneaker, which is normally a automatic hit, man. That normally means that people want to buy the sneaker, but not so much this time. You know what I'm saying? The toe box, they hit us with that good leather on the toe box. It is not bad material at all. We got the Jordan right there. We do have the 13 behind there, as you guys can see right there. We have the black rope laces, kind of like this nubuck material right here. Very good quality. We got the purple Jumpman logo. We have the hologram 2-3 right there. Still the plastic on that thing. You feel what I'm saying? On the back end, we do have that court purple. And then on the inner side of the shoe, the exact same thing. On the bottom, like just all your other 13s, they just hit us with the court purple and the standard 13 Black Panther type vibes. You feel what I'm saying? So all in all, a very clean, well put together sneaker, man. So the question still lies is that why is this shoe sitting? You know what I'm saying? So we did have, of course, the OG that dropped, which is going to be your Air Jordan 13 breads, of course. And I know, because it's the bread colorway, I know what you guys are gonna say, you can't compare the same thing, but just for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and do it, man. So we have the Air Jordan 13 breads right here, and this is literally the exact shoe. You feel what I'm saying? Everything, quality and everything compared to this one is spot on. These are the exact same sneakers, just a different colorway. So why is this shoe sitting? And I know a lot of people are gonna say because, hey, MJ wore this, it's the OG colorway. But hey, we got some court purples, you know what I'm saying? Hey, MJ didn't wear this. You feel what I'm saying? So we do have some OG Jordan 1 colorways that he did not wear, but when you throw that court purple on a Jordan 1, automatic sale. And I know the 13 ain't the same thing, but basically what I want to tell you guys is, man, if this is a colorway that you like, do not be ashamed or disappointed, or do not fall into the hype of what everybody else is buying. Rock what you like. This shoe is very good quality. This is a A1 Jordan 13. It's very well put together. If you purchased this for retail, you did not get screwed over. You paid good money for a very good sneaker. Now, will this shoe hit the outlets in some location? Possibly. I can't knock that. You know, I can't say it's not. But what I'm saying is that the OG hype in the sneaker community and stuff like that kind of gets us to shy away for things that we really want, especially when Nike gives us something with very good materials on it and it is a very good shoe. It kind of makes us say, you know what, I'm gonna pass on it, even though we've been looking and had this shoe on our radar for a minute. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, why do you think this sneaker is sitting? What is going on? It's court purple colorway. Usually court purple is a hit. I know Nike they're very good at over exaggerating and really burning out colorways. You know, we have UNC blues, we have the mocha colorway. You know, they're very good at that, and normally whenever they do that, they do well. But this shoe is a duck for a lot of people, but I'm here to tell you the quality is A1. This is a very good sneaker. So you guys let me know down in the comment section, what do you think about this shoe? As you can see on the screen, your thoughts. What do you think about this sneaker? Did Nike miss the mark some way, somehow? Maybe I'm missing something. Hey, let me know. But like I said, if you are looking to get this shoe, I would not pay resale for it, because I do think that if you just walk into a couple locations, or if you are in tune with the sneaker community and somebody's in some other areas, even DM me, you know, I'm pretty sure if we walk into a store, you can get this shoe for retail, depending on the size that you're looking for. So hey, holla at your boy. But I appreciate you guys. Rock what you like, not what's hype, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, these shoes behind me, this sneaker right here, this beauty right here, is just bait. A way for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
I'm off the beat, but right now I'm on the beat, known to be brother more, spitting for the king. You can kick it with my team and kick it with the king. Kicknology.